So here we have the Super B bottom bracket removal tool, and this one is for the BB30 bearings. Open this up. Anything down inside there? No, there is not. Oh yeah, that's a nice solid chunk of steel too. Oh, here we go. So you have your driving surface there. Looks like you'll push this through your bottom bracket, probably that way. Get those bearings from the back side. It's got this cone that expands it, takes it all the way up there. Then you'll put that through, give it a solid whack. Looks like they gave us a few extra O-rings, that's good. Keep these wedges in place. We'll want that. Bottom bracket remover tool, used for bearings with 30mm ID.